This skill might save your grades. We've seen this done incorrectly so many times when students need to solve non-linear inequalities. We'll use a quadratic to show you a useful strategy, but you can apply this to a lot of different inequalities. Let's get started. So you have x squared take 6 is greater than 5x. The most important thing for you is to understand what this is asking. There are going to be a range of values of x that make the expression x squared take 6 greater than 5x. You can probably think of some right now. Now there's a lot of different strategies you can use to solve this, but we'll show you this particular way because it'll help you visualize it. So you're going to make one side 0 and work on solving this inequality because it'll give you the same solution. Now you can factorize the quadratic. From here, if you're a bit more advanced, you can just inspect this and find the solution that way, but for this strategy, you'll graph it. Graphing is such an important skill in maths, so you want to be applying it. So sketch the graph of y equals x takes 6 times x plus 1. Since it's factorized, you can straight away find the roots at -1 and 6. And since the x squared term is positive, you know it's a parabola with a minimum. Now, you want the expression x takes 6 times x plus 1 to be greater than 0. Greater than 0, graphically, means above the x-axis, because the x-axis represents y equals 0. So find all the sections of your graph that are above the x-axis. Now you can see the solutions on the graph. The inequality holds for all values of x less than -1 and for all values of x greater than 6. And that's the solution. We hope this comes in handy for you going forward. If you found this helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe for more strategies like this.